You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the professional or stage name, if you wish, of this Chilean-American actress. In the US, it's generally said as Cody or Cote de Pablo. Cote de Pablo or Cote de Pablo. Her real name is Maria Jose de Pablo Fernandez, if you've been wondering. So it's different. Cote de Pablo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.